Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the pinnacle of automotive luxury and innovation on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a groundbreaking RV that fuses the prancing horse's legendary performance heritage with ultimate nomadic opulence. Imagine taking the spirit of a Ferrari SF90 or Roma and scaling it up into a mobile mansion that's as thrilling to drive as it is to live in. This isn't just an RV, it's a statement for those who demand speed, style, and sophistication in their travels. We'll cover the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in depth, so let's rev up and get started. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a stunning blend of supercar aggression and RV practicality, designed to turn heads on highways and campsites alike. Drawing inspiration from Ferrari's iconic lineup, it features a low-slung, aerodynamic profile with sharp lines and sculpted panels that echo the Ferrari 296 GTB and SF90 Stradale. The front fascia is dominated by a massive signature grille, flanked by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that sweep back into pronounced fenders, giving it that unmistakable Ferrari predatory stance. Air intakes are strategically placed for optimal cooling, while the smooth roofline tapers elegantly to the rear, where a functional diffuser and integrated spoiler enhance both aesthetics and downforce. The body is finished in premium paints like classic Rosso Corsa Red or matte Grigio Titanio, with carbon fiber accents on the side mirrors, skirts, and bumpers for a lightweight, high-performance look. Measuring around 40 feet in length, it's built on a custom chassis that balances size with agility, and the sides boast flush door handles and retractable steps that deploy with precision engineering. Wheels come in 22 or 23-inch alloys wrapped in high-grip tires, and optional aerodynamic kits include subtle fins for better stability at speed. Practical touches like panoramic side windows with electrochromic tinting, roof-mounted solar panels for off-grid power, and an extendable awning make it versatile for outdoor adventures. Overall, the design prioritizes wind-cheating efficiency, reducing drag for better fuel economy, while exuding the elegance of Italian craftsmanship, making it feel more like a grand tourer than a traditional motorhome. Stepping inside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome reveals an interior that's pure Italian luxury, transforming road trips into five-star experiences with materials and tech straight from Maranello. The cockpit is a driver's dream, featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel with the iconic Manettino dial for drive modes, paddle shifters, and a 16-inch curved digital instrument cluster displaying real-time performance data, navigation, and diagnostics. Wrapped in hand-stitched leather and Alcantara, it's accented by carbon fiber and brushed aluminum, with ergonomic seats that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The living space expands via slide-outs when parked, creating an open-plan layout with plush sofas that electronically recline or convert into beds, surrounded by ambient LED lighting that syncs to your mood or time of day. A gourmet kitchen shines with marble effect countertops, an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart fridge, built-in espresso machine, and a wine chiller for up to a dozen bottles, all with soft close drawers and voice-activated controls. The dining area includes a solid walnut table, while entertainment comes from a massive high-definition screen paired with a 16-speaker Burmester 3D surround sound system for immersive audio. In the master suite at the rear, a queen, or king-sized bed sits on adaptive air suspension for vibration-free sleep, complete with memory foam, high-thread count linens, wireless charging pads, and hidden storage. The en-suite bathroom is spa-worthy, boasting a rainfall shower with multiple jets, heated marble floors, an illuminated vanity, and premium gold fixtures. Throughout, smart tech integrates seamlessly. A central AI assistant handles climate zones, up to 10 kilowatts of heating and cooling, lighting, security cameras, and even trip planning via 5G connectivity and satellite internet. Storage is abundant with clever compartments, including a wardrobe and overhead bins, and the entire space is designed for self-sufficiency with a 25 kilowatt-hour battery bank, 2,000-watt solar array, and massive 800-liter fresh water tanks. It's not just comfortable. It's intuitive, with features like motorized blinds on panoramic windows and a convertible lounge that accommodates up to 6 guests, ensuring every journey feels like a bespoke Ferrari escape. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome shatters expectations for what an RV can deliver, infusing it with the soul of a supercar for exhilarating drives without compromising comfort. Powertrain options include a twin-turbo V8 hybrid setup churning out 720 horsepower and massive torque, borrowed from the SF90 Straydale, or a cutting-edge tri-motor electric variant with 850 horsepower and a 150 kilowatt-hour battery for up to 370 miles of silent, emission-free range. The hybrid accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, astonishing for a 7-ton vehicle, thanks to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive with torque vectoring for precise handling. Top speed exceeds 130 miles per hour, but it's the adaptive air suspension that steals the show, automatically adjusting ride height for aerodynamics on highways, lowering for stability, or raising up to 7 inches for light off-road duties like gravel paths or campsites. Drive modes via the Manettino switch between comfort for smooth cruising, sport for spirited twists, and even an off-road setting with enhanced traction control to manage slip on snow or sand. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic discs for confident stops, while advanced driver aids include adaptive cruise with predictive cornering, lane keeping, 360-degree cameras, night vision for spotting wildlife, and blind spot monitoring. Fuel efficiency impresses too, with the hybrid achieving around 15 to 20 miles per gallon on long hauls, aided by regenerative braking and aero optimizations. A built-in generator and quick charge capabilities, up to 150 kilowatts DC for the EV model, ensure you're never stranded, and the low center of gravity from strategic battery placement minimizes body roll, making it handle like a much smaller vehicle. Whether towing a trailer or navigating mountain roads, this motorhome prioritizes safety and thrill, with skid plates and stability controls that make it versatile for adventure seekers who want Ferrari DNA in every mile. Pricing for the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome reflects its ultra-exclusive status, starting at around $850,000 for the base Gran Turismo trim with the V8 hybrid and core luxuries, making it accessible to high-end buyers compared to some rivals. 2849 EC. The mid-tier Straydale jumps to over $1 million, adding the electric powertrain, upgraded interiors, and more customization. 34 EP6 for the ultimate, the Competizione trim goes fully bespoke through Ferrari's tailor-made program, easily exceeding $1.50 million or more depending on options like exotic materials, advanced tech packages, or unique paint schemes. A 0EA49 other sources suggest starting figures around $1.8 million to $3.5 million for highly customized units, positioning it in the realm of superyachts but with road freedom. 9463D 924E903 expect to add tens of thousands for extras like the Burmester audio, enhanced solar systems, or off-road enhancements. It's an investment for Ferrari loyalists, with limited production ensuring rarity. Think of it as owning a piece of automotive art that you can drive anywhere. In closing, the